So over here, you can see that I have an image of a picture. And now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go around and use the quick selection tool right here and click and drag around over here to make a selection. So I'm just going to go around, click and drag around right here to make a selection to this flower right here, just like this. And now you want to make a selection right here. Let me just go around and then subtract out a bit right here. So once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the select menu and then go to modify over here to use the selection option. Let me just go around onto border, and what this does is it allows you to select out the border. Let's say, for example, if I were to select out 20 pixel of border right here, then this is what you have. It's selected out the border only. So if I were to go on to move tool and move this, you can see that only the border is selected out now. So that is what you can do with the selection tool. Let me just press Ctrl Z over here, and then I'm going to go to the select menu and go to modify. And here you can see you can smoothen the selection out over here as well. So I can sample the radius pixel. So let's say, for example, I want to smoothen out it out very much. So I'm going to type in 100 and press OK, and it smoothens it out by taking samples of 100 pixels, and you can see that it is much more smoothened right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here and then go to select and go to modify smooth right here, and let's select 10 pixel now and press OK. And you can see it just smoothens it out a bit right here once you do that. Let me just press Ctrl Z to get back onto the default area. So once I'm going to go to the select menu again, go to modify. You can also go to expand over here. So you can go around and expand out the selection. Let's say, for example, by 15 pixel each, and I'm going to press OK. And you can see that it expands everything out by 15 pixels right there. So that is what you can do. And what you can also do over here is go to select, go to modify, and then contract the selection over here as well. And in this case, it is the same. You can contract it by a certain level of pixel, press OK, and the selection shrinks out just like that. And that is how you can go around and then select the modify option using the select menu for selections inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.